Hi, this is Sandra. I have this little recipe for those who love chicken livers. Yes, the ones who like smothered chicken livers. And right in this little bowl here, I have spinach, peppercina, and all kind of spices that I like on this. And you could do it also. So I put some cheese. I put the 5 Italian cheese blend on this, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. This is only for the ones who love chicken livers, smothered chicken livers. This recipe is for those who are a chicken liver fan. So what I did, I add the chicken livers, the braised chicken liver with onion, and I add some more cheese, and I add some honey mustard. This recipe is for those who like chicken livers only. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.